When I was at Stetson, I took the 6th Circuit State Attorney Clinic. It allowed me to be in court as much as I wanted to, as much as I felt like I could handle. With that clinic, I'd get my foot in trial and I'd be able to practice or see if that's really what I wanted to do, to be a prosecutor.
I really wanted to get real trial experience. I did trial team in law school, but doing the clinic and being in front of a real jury, getting real cases and real experience, there's really just nothing like it.
Our primary objective with the clinic program is for students to have fun, to enjoy it. I want them to take away the opportunity to go into a courtroom, to practice and be a lawyer. A student walks into a courtroom as a student, armed with the rules of evidence, armed with the professional responsibility rules, but here they get to stand on their feet and be a lawyer before they graduate. And it's a fantastic opportunity for them to see if that's what they want to do.
The biggest thing that stuck out to me in my clinic is my first jury trial. The feeling, or I guess the high of being in front of a real jury, giving my closing statement and knowing that what I'm saying is going to make a difference. It's going to change, not only the defendant's life, but it's going to change the lives of everyone in the courtroom. And I can't imagine a better feeling as an attorney or as an advocate.
My first jury trial, I was there to prep the case. I was there to talk to the witnesses, to talk to the victim, to get the case prepared from zero all the way to the day of trial, and then I was actually there to try the case. I was there to do opening statement, to pick a jury, to do closing argument, to direct the witness, argue evidence, motions in limine, the works, and that was probably the most memorable experience that I'll have, something that I'll never forget.
The biggest difference between being in a law classroom and the clinic is the real world. The connections that you make there, working with attorneys, them being able to see the skills, seeing what you can be able to offer the state. You really can't see the big picture until you're in the clinic and you're watching it start to finish.
The clinic helped me in many ways. Primarily, I think among them, it gave me a heads up that really what I thought I wanted to do was in fact what I wanted to do. It assured me of what I already knew. It allowed me to get in court, be in front of a jury, look someone in the eye and ask them to convict someone of a crime, to potentially someone to jail or prison. When you're in a clinic, what you do matters.
Any student that thinks that they might be interested in doing trial work, advocacy for the prosecution clinic, or even the public defender clinic, and you think that that's something that you want to do, I'd absolutely say do it. The biggest reason I'd recommend it is because of the real life experience, which is unlike any other experience in law school.
Today I'm an assistant state attorney in the 6th Judicial Circuit in Pinellas County, and we get to fight for justice. So we get to go home knowing every day that we may have helped society, even in some small way. It's a fantastic job, and I'm extremely happy there.
I am an assistant state attorney. I'm working in the 6th Judicial Circuit doing my dream job. I work as a prosecutor. I just recently got promoted to felony. I go to work every day doing the thing that I love, the thing that Stetson's prepared me for, and I make a difference.
All prosecutors' office and public defenders' offices throughout the state of Florida look at people who have been clinic students. After they graduate, we can put them in a courtroom and they can go to work and practice until they pass the bar. Students routinely leave this clinic program saying it's one of the best experiences they've ever had in law school.